Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to install your homework from Google Classroom. Right now I am actually asking to install your pictures of your notebook from Google Classroom. First you should install the Google Classroom from Play Store to your phones, or I think it works in same in Apple. So this is the account that I showed you in PC. So now in here you may enter with another account. So to enter your own Gmail, there's a small arrow in there, so you can play with it and you can find the right one. So later you open the Classroom 10A Math. So let's upload some things from the 319. So when you go here, you see down there your work, there is your work. So you will click on this arrow thing. When you click on arrow thing, there is add attachment. So you will click add attachment, so you can directly take photo and you can install some files in here from your phone. Like you can go in here, the images in there, WhatsApp, Viber, camera, or the first thing that I showed, you can even go like take a photo and you just take a photo. When you take photo, you say okay, one photo comes there. You wait a bit, of course. It's up to how fast phone you have. So one picture is done, so you click again add attachment. Once again take photo, you take second photo and install it there. After you install enough number of photos, you will click on that turn in sign. Let's do that. First you will wait. So you will click on turn in sign, then you do turning. Right now I'm able to see it in my PC. Let me check once again whatever happened. Is it exactly as I have thought? So yeah, I am able to see those photos right now at this moment from my PC. Please try learning how to make this happen. I will ask you for every day since we do online live lessons. Thanks for listening.